a delightful fusion of textures and flavors. Swiss roll ice cream cake is a true crowd pleaser. I hope you have all the ingredients ready. Line a glass bowl with cling film. 1 extra large chocolate Swiss roll. Slice the Swiss roll into slices roughly 1 centimeter thick. Layer the slices inside the bowl, covering the bottom and sides. Tear up the pieces of the leftover cake to fill in any holes. Drizzle a splash of rum, brandy, or apple juice over the Swiss roll. Cover with cling film. Place in the freezer for about half an hour. After half an hour, take out from the freezer. Remove the top layer of cling film. Spoon your chosen ice cream into the cake bowl. Cover with cling film and freeze for an hour. When you're ready to serve, remove the cling film. Place a plate on top. Carefully turn the bowl over onto the plate. Remove the glass bowl and the cling film. Its smooth, creamy texture melts in your mouth. The combination of soft cake and creamy ice cream is always a delight. We hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.